Today we will be doing deletion in a circular linked list. So this is how a circular linked list looks like. Uh, we have three nodes over here, and the last node, the pointer of the last node points back to the first node, and head is pointing to the first node. So this makes it a circular linked list. Okay. Now let's see how can we do deletion in a circular linked list. In a circular linked list, we can delete any element at any position in constant time. Okay. Now deletion can be logically defined into two different ways. First is deletion in the beginning, and other is deletion in the middle or at any intermediate position. Okay. Now let's have a look at the node class. Now this is what a node class looks like. I'm defining it in Python. Okay. So we have two variables, data and next. Okay. Data is will point to the data of that node, and next will point to the node to the next node of that uh, will is a pointer to the next node. Okay, this next variable. Now we define a new node as node Tesla, and new node dot next we define another node where it next of Tesla points to 2, and this statement new node dot next is equal to new node. This makes it a circular linked list. Now to the next of the node which is having 2 value will point back to Tesla again. Okay, and we are pointing head as new node, head to the new node. New node is Tesla. So now this is how the linked list will look like. Tesla 2, then Tesla, then again 2, and that's how it will continue. Okay, this is how this is how the circular linked list looks like, and head points to Tesla. Okay. Now let's see the code for deletion in the beginning. Okay, in order to do deletion in the beginning, first we need to take the parameter as head, and then we initialize ptr as head. Now we will keep on iterating while ptr is not equal to head. Okay, such that ptr dot next not equal to head. So this makes it like makes ptr reach a node previous to the head pointer. Okay, so this is how it looks like. ptr now if one there is one more condition. If ptr is equal to head, this condition will be satisfied when there is only one node in the linked list. Then we'll do ptr dot next equal to none and head is equal to none. Okay, because only one node is there, so after deleting it there will be nothing, right? So this is what we are going to do now. Else if this is not the case, if there are more than one node in the circular linked list, then what we will do, ptr dot next is equal to head dot next node of head, and head dot next equal to none. Will make head this node point to none, so because we are deleting this node, and after garbage collection in Python it will be deleted. For that we are doing it. Okay, and we will make head as ptr dot next. Okay, ptr dot next means the new node which has been created just now. Okay, where the new node which ptr dot next is pointing right now. Okay, that node we made head to point that, because that becomes the new head of the circular linked list. Now diagrammatically let's see what is happening. So we want to delete the first node. Okay, so this 10 is the value of the data, value of the node, and 4850 is the address of the next node. Okay, then the right block for every node is the address. Okay, now you can see the last node has the address of the first node. Okay, 4800, and head is also storing 4800. So now we are deleting head. So what we do, we make a node point previous point to the second last node. Okay, and we make head as null, delete this pointer. Okay, and then previous dot next as head dot next, this one, this node. Previous will point to this node, previous dot next, and head will again point to previous dot next. Okay, previous dot next is nothing but ptr dot next over here, similar to ptr dot next. So this is how we can delete the node at the first position. In case you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comments. Now deletion at any position. Now if we want to, here we will take two parameters, head and position. Now if we want to delete any position which is less than or equal to 1, it is similar to deleting at the beginning, so we will call this delete at the beginning function and return the head. And if position is greater than 1, then we will do the following things. First we will make prev as none, then we will make head ptr point to head, and make a variable pos equal to 1. Now we will start iterating unless ptr reaches the position which we want to delete, and prev will point a node just previous to ptr. Okay, ptr will point to the node which we want to delete, and prev will point just the node previous to ptr after completion of this loop. Now we will check if ptr is equal to head, if ptr has reached head or not. If ptr has reached head, then the value of head will be changed. Okay, now if ptr has reached head and prev is also equal to head, this means there is only one node in the linked list. Then we'll make ptr dot next as none and head as none. Okay, if this condition satisfies, that means there is only one node in the circular linked list. Okay, now if this doesn't satisfy, then there are more than one node in the circular linked list, and we just need to change the head pointer now, because head will be changed, because the head value is being deleted now. So what we'll do, prev dot next equal to ptr dot next, and head equal to ptr dot next, and then make ptr dot next equal to none. Okay, ptr is that node which we are deleting, and after this statement, by garbage collection, that node will be deleted in Python. Okay, and Java also similar thing we can do, and in C also. C we use free function we use in C. And now else condition. Now if ptr is not equal to head, that means we don't need to change the head position. Then simply what we need to do, prev dot next is equal to ptr dot next, and ptr dot next equal to none. For this is for deletion of the node. Okay, and this prev will point to ptr dot next. Now ptr has been removed. Okay, and now we simply return head. That's it. This will delete a node at any given position. Now let's see the code. Now we want to delete this node with 22 value. So first we will reach the node 11, node having 11. Then we will make next of 11 as next of ptr. ptr will point to 22. Next of ptr is 4500. So 11 will store 4500, and 22 of next will be null, and it will be deleted. That's all we need to do. That's how we can delete a node, any node at intermediate position apart from the beginning position in a circular linked list. Now let's see some code examples. This is the node class which we have defined. This is the insert data function. Using this insert data, I am inserting dummy data inside it. This is how the circular linked list will look like after running this insert data. First one QWERTY to Java Python, and then again first. This statement makes the list circular linked list. Okay, because this is the tail, the last node, and the last next of last node points again to the head. So this makes the linked list a circular linked list. Now printing of data, printing what we are doing, we are printing one data, then we are comparing it with whether it is equal to the head address or not. We keep on iterating and printing, and once we reach head again, then we print the value one more time with 3 dots to represent that this is, we have reached the end of the, not the end, again the beginning value of the circular linked list. Let's run this. Wait a minute. Let's first comment this. Yeah. Now let's run it. This is how it looks. First one QWERTY to Java Python, and then first. Then again we are giving 3 dots to represent it is continued. Okay, and head is pointing to first. Now let's see deletion at the beginning. This is the code for deletion at the beginning. I have explained you the code earlier also. You can see it one more time. Let's run it. You can see first one QWERTY to Java Python first. Now first has been deleted. Initially head was pointing to first. Now first has been deleted. Now head is pointing to 1. 1 QWERTY to Java Python. Then again 1 we got. So that is how we can delete the beginning node from a circular linked list. Now let's see the code to delete at any given position. To delete at any position, this is what we are going to do. This condition, if there is only one node in the linked list, this whole condition, if we are changing the head of the circular linked list, and this is for simple deletion if we are not changing the head of the circular linked list. And this while loop is to reach PTR, make PTR reach the position which we want to delete. Now let's uncomment this also. Now we want to delete at position 2. Okay, let's comment this. Position 2 is 1. So you see 1 has been deleted. Head hasn't been changed yet. Okay. Now if you want to delete at position 5, let's see. See, Java has been deleted. You can see Java has been deleted. Now if we put some value larger, like 6 will be Python. So you see Python has been deleted. Now if we do 7, then again it will point to the node which is the first. Okay, so now you see in this case head will be changed. So let's run this code. Now you saw head is pointing now to 1. Okay, we have deleted the head now, the earlier head now. Now if we do 8, then 1 will be deleted. Okay? 1 will be deleted. That's it guys. I hope you understand this. Let's see the code one more time. Let's see the slides one more time. Deletion circular linked list. This is how a circular linked list looks like. Deletion can be done in two ways, beginning and intermediate position. This is a node class. Deletion code for beginning position. Diagrammatic representation for beginning position. Deletion code for any given position. Diagrammatic representation for deletion at any given position. That's it, guys. Have a good day.